The Unite the Right rally was a white supremacist rally that took place in Charlottesville, Virginia, from August 11 to 12, 2017. Far-right groups participated, including self-identified members of the alt-right, neo-Confederates, neo-fascists, white nationalists, neo-Nazis, Klansmen, and various right-wing militias. Some groups chanted racist and anti-Semitic slogans and carried weapons, Nazi and neo-Nazi symbols, the Valknut, Confederate battle flags, Deus Vult crosses, flags, and other symbols of various past and present anti-Islamic and anti-Semitic groups. The organizers' stated goals included unifying the American white nationalist movement and opposing the proposed removal of the statue of General Robert A. Lee from Charlottesville's former Lee Park. The rally occurred amidst controversy generated by the removal of Confederate monuments by local governments following the Charleston church shooting in 2015, in which a white supremacist shot and killed 9 black members, including the minister, and wounded others. The event turned violent after protesters clashed with counter-protesters, resulting in more than 30 injured. On the morning of August 12, Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe declared a state of emergency, stating that public safety could not be safeguarded without additional powers. Within an hour, at 11:22 a.m., the Virginia State Police declared the rally to be an unlawful assembly. At around 1:45 p.m., self-identified white supremacist James Alex Fields Jr. deliberately rammed his car into a crowd of counter-protesters about 0.5 miles away from the rally site, killing Heather Heyer and injuring 19 other people. Fields fled the scene in his car but was arrested soon afterward. He was tried and convicted in Virginia State Court of first-degree murder, malicious wounding, and other crimes in 2018, with the jury recommending a sentence of life imprisonment plus 419 years. The following year, Fields pleaded guilty to 29 federal hate crimes in a plea agreement to avoid the death penalty. In this trial, U.S. President Donald Trump's remarks on Charlottesville generated negative responses. In his initial statement following the rally, Trump condemned hatred, bigotry, and violence on many sides. While Trump condemned both neo-Nazis and white nationalists, his first statement and subsequent defenses of it, in which he also referred to very fine people on both sides, were seen by critics as implying moral equivalence between the white supremacist marchers and those who protested against them. Critics interpreted his remarks as sympathetic to white supremacists. Supporters have characterized this interpretation as a hoax because Trump's fine people statement explicitly denounces white nationalists. The rally and resulting death and injuries resulted in a backlash against white supremacist groups. In the United States, a number of groups that participated in the rally had events cancelled by universities, and their financial and social media accounts closed by major companies. Some Twitter users led a campaign to identify and publicly shame marchers at the rally from photographs. At least one rally attendee was dismissed from his job as a result of the campaign. While the organizers intended for the rally to unite far-right groups with the goal of playing a larger role in American politics, the backlash and resultant infighting between alt-right leaders has been credited with causing a decline in the movement. After Charlottesville refused to approve another march, Unite the Right held an anniversary rally on August 11 to 12, 2018. Called Unite the Right 2, in Washington, D.C. The rally drew only 20 to 30 protesters amidst thousands of counter-protesters, including religious organizations, civil rights groups, and anti-fascist organizers. In the wake of the Charleston church shooting in June 2015, efforts were made across the South to remove Confederate monuments from public spaces and rename streets honoring notable figures from the Confederacy. While often successful, these efforts faced a backlash from people concerned about protecting their Confederate heritage. The August 11 to 12 Unite the Right rally was organized by Charlottesville native Jason Kessler to protest the Charlottesville City Council's decision to remove the Robert A. Lee statue honoring the Confederate general, as well as the renaming of the statue's eponymous park. The Charlottesville resident and University of Virginia graduate took up the cause in March 2016. When Charlottesville Vice Mayor Wes Bellamy held a press conference to call for removal of the statue, Kessler, referring to Bellamy as anti-white, exposed a series of offensive tweets made by Bellamy several years earlier and began an unsuccessful petition drive which sought to remove Bellamy from office. In the first of many altercations in which he was involved, Kessler was charged with assault for his January 22, 2017, punching of a resident who rebuked his recall petition.